everybody. I'm here today to answer the simplistic and complete and full question of, should you get an instant camera like this one? So should you get an instant camera like the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera that I have right here? And I'll be giving you an honest answer. So let's get right into the video. Once again, the topic, just to summarize it all. The question is, should you get an instant camera like the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera right here? And I'll be giving you an honest and complete answer. Now, this is just my opinion. I got this camera myself. I absolutely love it. I paid for it myself. I love using it. My kids love using it. Everybody loves using it that comes into contact with it. It's fantastic, okay? So essentially, the answer that I'm going to give you is yes, I think you should have one of these cameras in your house, and I'll tell you why, okay? They're absolutely amazing with regards to the fun that they provide you with. This is a fun device, okay? It's a useful device, but it's a fun device. So the camera itself isn't that expensive. I think this was $100 Canadian, and I think that was regular price when I paid for it. So the camera itself is not that expensive. It's just, you know, it's cheaper than a digital camera you're going to get. It's not that expensive. The film is quite pricey. So this has 10 developments in it. It has 10 exposures in it, 10 pictures in it that I can take, and it's $10 plus tax and stuff like that. So you're paying about $1 a picture, like I said, in Canadian dollars. Maybe you can get it for cheaper, more expensive, I don't know, but that's how much I'm paying per picture, which it's not the cheapest. Like every time you take a picture, it's costing $1. But the fun, the enjoyment, the fulfillment that you get, the instant gratification that you get from that picture coming out is worth every penny. Now, these are good to have, not for your everyday camera, not for your regular day-to-day camera. These are good to have in novelty situations. So let me explain myself. Let's say you're having a birthday party and people are coming to your birthday party and you have this camera at the front door. Whenever someone shows up to your birthday party, you take a picture with them, you take a selfie, because guess what? It has selfie mode, right? And a selfie mode over here, you can see it says selfie on over there. Yeah. It says, yeah, selfie on. That's what it says. So that selfie mode, I'm not sure what the word, I wasn't sure what the wording was, but that's selfie mode when you pop that out. So you take a selfie with them, you print it out immediately, and you can give them the picture, or you can keep it and hang it up on a wall. And now you have a wall full of pictures of you and all your guests that they can take home, or you can keep for your memory books. Okay? If you have a certain situation where in the moment, it's a lot of fun, you could take a picture, hang it up on the fridge. So let's say, and this is what we're going to start doing, my wife and I, we're going to start doing this with our kids. We have 4 young kids at the time of me filming this. Yeah, so we have 4 young kids. I keep saying at the time of me filming this as if we're going to have another one right now. Whoa, pump the brakes, buddy. Pump the brakes. Pump the brake. We're good for now. We're good. We're good for now, and I think we're good for good. But anyways, we're good like for the rest of time. But anyways, we're going a little bit off topic there. But we have 4 young kids. My son is in a senior kindergarten at the time of filming this. My daughter's in daycare. And then we have twins that are 14 months old. So essentially, whenever they come home and they've, you know, done a nice piece of artwork, you know, what I want to do is I want to take a picture of them holding the artwork. So we, you know, you keep the artwork for the most part, but the artwork, I feel like it's easy that it can get ruined because it's construction paper and stuff like that. Whereas a picture, if we put it in a photo album, it's going to stay like that. You know, we're going to cherish it. We're going to be able to look back at it, and we're going to know whose artwork it was because they're going to be holding it like that. Okay. If, you know, he gets an A+, not that they get A+s in kindergarten, but if he gets an A+ on an assignment, he can hold it up and show how proud he was. And, you know, every year you can see how much they've grown. So that's just an idea that my wife and I are going to use this for. And there's many more ideas, but honestly, I think it's worth it to have this, but you're going to use it sparingly because it's not cheap to use. The film, like I said, is quite pricey. So you're going to use it sparingly, and you're going to use it for novel situations. The photo quality of this is not the same as a digital camera. It's not like a DSLR camera. You know, you're not going to get quality like this. It's more the novelty. So do I think you should get one of these, whether it's the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 or any other camera that's an instant camera, right? They're all, you know, I'm talking about instant cameras in general. I think you should get them. You should have one of them in the house, but you should use it when it makes sense. A novel situation, a fun situation, or something you want to cherish where you want to print the picture immediately, right? You know, it's really cool. Like maybe you can take a picture with your instant camera, like just thinking about this, every anniversary that you and your spouse have, or you and your boyfriend or girlfriend have, whatever the case is, you and your partner have, you know, for like the first 30 years or something, I don't know, and you can see how much you've grown over those years, right? You know, or like every time, if you're having kids, every time you have a new kid, you take a new picture with this and then you put it away. Like, I'm just, you know, brainstorming really dumb ideas, to be honest with you. But, you know, you can figure out what works for you. But I think every household should have one of these, because the instant gratification that you get when you print out that picture is absolutely amazing. And that's my answer to it. I bought this not too long ago. I love it. I love it. My wife loves it. Our kids love it. Everybody loves it. Everyone that comes over that I take a picture with, they love it. It's fantastic. I want to start taking a picture of everyone that comes to our house, and then I can like keep a collection of like all my friends and family. Just, you know, something I'm thinking of, right? It would be really cool. And, you know, I don't have that many friends, so I just joking. I have tons of friends, but I have like basically 4 close friends. But I have lots of acquaintances, but I have like 4 people that I actually call like my friends, my close friends. I keep my circle very, very small and very close. But anyways, that's off on a tangent. That's my answer to the question of should you get an instant camera like that one right there, but it applies to any instant camera. And that is my honest answer, because I got that camera myself. It's just from the bottom of my heart, my answer to the question. And that is truly and completely it. If you like this video explanation / answer / tutorial / demonstration, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.